Ensure dog's safety. Ensuring your dog's safety during mental stimulation activities is crucial. Here are some tips to help you keep your dog safe. Supervise your dog. Always supervise your dog during mental stimulation activities, especially when they are trying out new toys or participating in interactive games. This allows you to intervene if any safety concerns arise. Choose appropriate toys and equipment. Select toys, puzzles, and equipment that are appropriate for your dog's size, breed, and age. Avoid toys with small parts that could be swallowed or become choking hazards. Ensure that any equipment, such as agility obstacles, is sturdy and safe for your dog to use. Use high-quality toys and treats. Opt for high-quality toys and treats that are designed for dogs. Cheap or poorly made toys can easily break and pose a risk of ingestion or injury. Choose treats that are safe for consumption and appropriate for your dog's dietary needs. Check toys regularly. Regularly inspect your dog's toys for signs of wear and tear. Discard any damaged or broken toys that could pose a risk of injury or choking. Pay attention to small pieces, loose threads, or stuffing that can be easily chewed or swallowed. Provide a safe environment. Create a safe environment for your dog's mental stimulation activities. Remove any potential hazards or toxic substances from the area where your dog will be playing or training. Secure loose cords. Keep chemicals out of reach and ensure that the space is free from sharp objects or dangerous plants. Gradually increase difficulty. When introducing new activities or challenges, start with easier levels and gradually increase the difficulty as your dog progresses. This allows your dog to build confidence and prevents frustration or injury from overwhelming tasks. Consider your dog's physical abilities. Take into account your dog's physical abilities and limitations. If your dog has health issues or is recovering from an injury, consult with your veterinarian to ensure that the activities are suitable and won't exacerbate any existing conditions. Adapt activities to your dog's needs. Every dog is different, so tailor the activities to your dog's specific needs, preferences, and energy levels. Some dogs may need more or less mental stimulation, so observe your dog's reactions and adjust accordingly. Take breaks. Allow your dog to take breaks during mental stimulation activities. Some dogs may become overstimulated or tired, so it's important to provide them with rest and downtime to prevent exhaustion or stress. Consult a professional. If you're unsure about the safety of a particular activity or need guidance, consider consulting a professional dog trainer or behaviorist. They can provide expert advice and ensure that you're engaging in safe and appropriate mental stimulation activities for your dog. Start with proper training. Before engaging in more complex mental stimulation activities, ensure that your dog has a solid foundation of basic obedience training. This includes commands like sit, stay, and leave it. A well-trained dog is more likely to follow instructions and stay safe during activities. Use positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is a key aspect of training and ensuring your dog's safety. Reward your dog with treats, praise, and play for following instructions, completing tasks, or exhibiting safe behavior. This encourages them to continue behaving safely and reinforces positive associations with mental stimulation activities. Provide proper warm-up and cool-down. Just like humans, dogs benefit from a warm-up and cool-down period before and after engaging in mentally stimulating activities. Prior to the activity, engage in light exercise or play to prepare your dog's body and mind. Afterward, allow for a period of relaxation and rest to prevent overexertion. Avoid overstimulation. Pay attention to your dog's behavior and body language during mental stimulation activities. Signs of overstimulation can include excessive panting, restlessness, avoidance, or aggression. If you notice these signs, it's important to give your dog a break and provide a calm environment to prevent stress or potential accidents. Be cautious with group activities. If engaging in mental stimulation activities with other dogs, ensure that the dogs are well socialized and compatible with each other. Supervise their interactions closely to prevent any aggressive behavior or potential conflicts. If your dog shows signs of discomfort or stress, remove them from the situation. Consider age-appropriate activities. Different ages of dogs have different energy levels and physical abilities. Tailor the activities to suit your dog's age. Puppies may require shorter and less challenging activities, while senior dogs may need gentler forms of mental stimulation to avoid strain or injury.